Hey, what's up? It's Adam with DIY Agency, and today we're going to talk about AI WiseMind, which is a new product from Chris Derenberger, and I hope I'm saying his name right, Derenberger. He's made a lot of products and softwares that I use, and this one is really about just creating SEO-friendly content through AI and doing it quickly and easily. It's a very passive system, so. As noted here, it's effortlessly create, schedule, and publish rank-dominating content on autopilot. So the first thing I like about it is it offers informational content, but it also does a lot of reviews. It looks like it's launching to the general public on July 24th, so either you'll see this before or after, and when that does happen, be sure to use my link below to sign up. And if you haven't already signed up, it's a great time to get in. Through that link. So really what I like about it is the set and forget Amazon reviews, and we're going to show that in a second. You can link this up with your WordPress website. You can just create the content and copy and paste, whatever you're looking to do. So I'm going to show you kind of the back end here, and what it offers again is informational posts, Amazon product reviews, or general product reviews. So if we're doing an informational post, again, you just enter your campaign name, the keywords or URLs that you want the information to be based on, and then if you want to use a keyword as a title, and then if you want to put any additional information like, hey, I want this article to talk about X, Y, or Z, you would just add in extra context. It automatically can add videos from YouTube or images from a number of different image sources. And then really what you're going to have is a couple different content customization capabilities. So you can do GPT 3.5 Turbo or their 16K, which is a little bit cleaner. You can use multiple different languages, multiple different tones of voice, and then content length. It can be short, medium, long. I generally use the medium, and just because it says about 1,500 doesn't mean it's going to be there. I've gotten a number of posts that are a lot longer than that. Total number of posts to create, and you can publish on a schedule, and literally you can choose every minute, hour, day, week. If you're doing 100, you can do 100 a week or 100 a month or 100 a year. And really all you're going to do is, again, if you want to put in a custom title, you're going to add that there, and then post it to WordPress. What it would do is allow you to select whichever site you have already added, and then you can put a publish, pending, or draft. And then it'll generate a featured image, generate tags, or generate categories. You can, if you wanted to, for instance, create your own category. You do that, and then you can create and do all these things. So this is the campaign section. The content just shows you what you've already created. Connecting sites, this just allows you to connect your WordPress site directly to AI WiseMind. You can do site groups, so you can do category groups, meaning that it's going to be a number of sites together based on niche or something like that. Site Wizard is if you're starting from scratch and you don't have a WordPress setup, it will actually help you go through the whole process of setting up your WordPress site. I am going to show you kind of just my background here. I am on the Platinum Plus plan. That's the largest plan, and it got me a bonus, so I signed up and took advantage of. I'm getting 3,750 pieces of content per month, and as you can see, I've already used a significant amount of them. And so really it does, again, also give you an opportunity to export your content, and whatnot. So let's take a look at an example of a post. So I told you about the informational post, so let's go back to that real quick. So we can also create Amazon product reviews or regular product reviews, and it gives you the option of a single product review for each post or multiple product roundup. So if I'm doing, let's just say I'm making 10 reviews about a softball pitching machine, for example, what I would do is I can either do it, if it's an Amazon product, I can link the Amazon URL here, or I can create a bunch of reviews on pitching machines specific to that category. So I would literally just go into Amazon, type in pitching machines, and then I'd copy in the URL here. And then I would associate my affiliate ID from Amazon, and then you can select which domain you want from there. All the other options are the same. The only difference being if I'm looking to do a product review of a regular product, not affiliated with Amazon, I could enter in my affiliate link here. So really awesome capabilities. And again, once you set this up, if you set it up to do 100 or if you set it up to do 1, it can run on autopilot or it can just do the 1. So I'm going to show an example of one I did, and I literally did the Jugs pitching machine. And that's literally what it was called. This just doesn't necessarily name it, but that's how I wanted to identify the category or the campaign. Like I said, I took the URL directly from Amazon. I created one post. Now you can, again, publish immediately or publish on schedule. And I posted directly to WordPress. And as mentioned, even though it was set up, I'll show you the setup here. It was set up as a Medium article, and I don't think I covered this. You can do first person plural, second person, third person, or random for these articles, so it gives you a point of view as well. And so I did one, and I published to one of my sites, and selected a category, and again, it was a 2,600 word, even though it was set up for about 1,500. So let's take a look at what it looks like. So here you can kind of view it, you can download it, you can do it again, you can publish, you can do all kinds of different things, but we'll just take a look at what the article looks like. And this is really the amazing part is it's all just one push button thing, and you get an introduction. And since this has actually been posted, they've tweaked it a little bit better so that you're actually getting better results, because one of the drawbacks at first was kind of the links weren't really big, but this takes it directly to my affiliate link. But basically what it did was it shows me all the information, writes one heck of a long article about it, including, again, videos, images, stuff like that, pros and cons, FAQs, reviews, conclusions, and then of course it'll show you exactly what it looks like on your website. So we'll go ahead and do that. So as mentioned on the website, for me, it didn't come out too clean. As far as the Get Yours Now wasn't obvious, so they have actually made updates. Again, this was created 3 weeks ago, so since then, since the release, they've been, Chris and his partner have been updating the software continuously. But as you can imagine, there's just tons of information here. So that's the beauty of this, and so you can just crank out a ton of content very quickly and easily. So the final thing I want to talk about is there are a ton of different tutorials that are available to walk you through a lot further than what I've done, and they show you how to connect your API key, how to connect with YouTube, Pixabay, whatever, connect your WordPress site, and again, how to do each type of review or informational post. And so there's just a ton of information that is available from these guys. And again, this is the two guys that have put it together, are Nasir Nobin and Chris Derenberger, just awesome product creators. And again, it will be sold, I believe, through Warrior Plus, so there are refund capabilities and the like. So hopefully this review helps, and go out there and crush it with some content.